Whitewall boys are a team of friends who have turned their love for car modifications, better known as pimping, into a business. They've featured on many media platforms, and some of the cars they've pimped out have been used in music videos. They specialize in vertical door installations and air suspension. They are highly sought after for their workmanship and expertise, but this team has a deep history and their partnership is based on long-standing friendship. So I'm chilling with the founders of Whitewall Boys. Tell me, how did you guys meet up?
Basically, we were still in high school. We used to chill together and whatsoever. And he got his first car at test, then I got a Cortina.
Okay.
Then yeah, it started off there, advising each other. He wanted an engine. I was like, do you know what, with that money, let's do lemon doors, wheel caps, and big Whitehall. Be different, but keep the car original.
Where did you learn the skill to modify? I mean, your work is immaculate.
Look, I come from a school where there's learning disabilities. Basically more hands than actually books,
Sure.
I used to have done woodwork, I've done spray painting, I've done welding, there was motor mechanic. So those skills, I took them from there, but I took it lightly back then.
Yeah, of course.
Because it was a special school. Nobody wanted to be at a special school.
Yeah.
Then from
no one
there
wants to be
on,
on the short bus.
Yeah, nobody, Then from there on, the things that I've learned, I've noticed I use them in something that I love and do,
All that ass got my niggas go crazy, so I took one girl to the room and she said, man, I can't believe that she said.
Generally, what do people ask for? Like, what are the trends?
What we really specialize in is the Lambo doors, the vertical doors, and your air suspension. That's our main forte. Okay. But we do interior as well and sound, but which we outsource with other local companies.
All right, let's go check out the Maserati, Illuminati Maserati. All right, take us through your Maserati.
Okay, with this one, we fully spray the body, did a whole lot of bumper work. We put in some sports lights, cleaned the actual headlights. We took in the rims for high polishing.
Okay.
And they sprayed inside,
Yeah.
Yeah, and the Lambo doors. The vertical.
It didn't come like this?
No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
So this is one of your custom work?
Yeah, definitely.
You think you'll be able to do this on a Mini?
Definitely. Just bring the car through, man.
On it is a tip, that is how we live it. Bring it on, anything was the pen. It's a good day.
Okay, this is our workshop. Basically, it's gonna be a showroom.
Okay, this is gonna be a showroom.
Yeah, for our customers, if they wanna see whatever we do, from air suspension to whatever, paintwork, everything that we do.
Right.
The nice thing about this shop, why I cherish it, it used to be my grandfather's bicycle shop.
Okay.
That's why I have that rim, the Daytona rim. It says keep pushing, how the evolution has changed to bicycles, to cars,
Girl, I've been watching you shake it. I've been watching you twerk it. And I'm on it, I'm on my stick. Girl, I'm on it, I'm on my stick. I'm on it, I'm on my stick. Girl, I'm on it, I'm on my stick. Alright. Hey, now you working.
Okay, so this is your project.
Yeah, bro. This is the Quantum that we're working on. As you can see, we put different kind of wheel caps to give it a different look, but still original, As you can see inside, you can hop inside and you can see the wooden floor, put the fridge, limo style.
Yeah.
And a sweet top. So we've done quite a lot inside it.
It's beautiful, man.
When you move that thing, how that body maintain, like you were born.
So if I was to come to you with a Quantum, for example, and I wanted something like this to be done, what is the brief on this?
Look, we need to know what you want to use it for. We need to know what kind of person you are, your personality, what you like, what you don't like, you know. So it's up to you and your budget as well.
Sure.
So basically we investigate before we just do, you know. Then we give you options.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we do.
And with the options, are they drawn out? Do I get a sense of how it's going to look?
Yeah, we can give you a sketch.
Okay.
But basically, with customers that you have got, they know our work. We just explain to them we're gonna do this, you know, I give them an idea. We can look into a boat or into a plane, show him a similar setup, you know. Then we just tweak it just a little bit to make it his, not the next person's thing. You know? Yeah, that's what we do.
Loud and I slapped that ass and smacked that song. Just put it on my stick and make me pride. Then I hit that spot. Then she screamed, don't stop. Then she got on top. Then she rocked that house. Then I screamed, don't stop. Her friend and join us and make me think. They tell me get some.
You know, being in Mutlakeng has made me homesick, but I must say that seeing the work of the Whitewall boys has inspired me immensely. I mean, if you look at the stitching, the work that goes in here, the detailing, the paint work, the sound of the engine, the sound of the speakers, I mean, these guys really take great passion and pride in their work, and I'm very much inspired. It's true what they say, that when it comes to cars and motorsport, the townships are truly going to take over. This has been Kasi Cars, and I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Alright. Mommy so bodacious, mommy so curvaceous. I stay watching that ass, so mommy knows she got backup. Yeah, she got backup. Mommy knows she got backup.